Hello there. We've got a very strong cyclone currently battering eastern parts of India with storm surge, flooding rains, potential mudslides, flash flooding and extremely strong winds. Back here in the UK, it's somewhat quieter, but we do have some rain which will disrupt plans across parts of England and Wales as we head into Sunday, because that rain will be pushing its way southwards through the night, accompanied by strong winds, and those strong winds coming from the east are quite a chilly direction. So through the night and through the evening, we've already seen some heavier rain pushing into eastern areas and southwards and westwards. So temperatures generally holding up. There could be some fog ahead of it and some fog in the glens of Scotland, and that's the cold spot really, where we're going to see the best of the brightness on Sunday. There'll be some frost first thing in the morning, but for many in the south where we had the sunshine during the day on Saturday, it's a cloudier spell of weather. In fact, we'll see some fairly potent rain pushing into East Wales and further south and west. We could have an inch or so of rain falling through the morning hours, and even though it looks like drying up for a time, there are further bands of rain to come, and it will tend to moisten up as the cloud thickens for the northeast of England and eastern Scotland, so it won't be as bright as it was here during the day on Saturday. In fact, it turns quite damp, so the lion's share of the sunshine, the northwest Highlands still, but more limited than we saw on Saturday, more limited across Northern Ireland, but still very usable weather. Quite a gusty wind here and in the northwest of England, and obviously quite a lot cloudier and damper for Wales compared with Saturday and the southwest of England. Now the wind as well will temper the feel of things. We're talking close to gale force winds across southeastern and eastern parts of the country in particular, accompanying that heavy rain, and it will potentially push yet more rain back in across eastern areas. And so there is a warning out from the Met Office, because we could have as much as 2 inches of rain before the end of play on Sunday in some areas, central and eastern areas in particular, and that could saturate the ground, cause some flooding problems ourselves. So as we move into Monday, you saw that low pressure is still around. So it is an unsettled start, but eventually it does turn milder as we move towards the middle part of the week. So for Monday, as I say, for the rush hour, we've still got that low pressure around, potentially still bringing some heavy rain, and these weather systems breaking ahead and swirling around will also bring rains into eastern Scotland and across western parts of both England and Wales. More showery, but nevertheless a disturbed weather pattern. So the northwest, Northern Ireland still favoured for the best of the dry and bright weather. The wind's still pretty strong, near gale force around some coasts, but slowly abating. As we move towards Tuesday, we start to think things calming down a little bit, and by Wednesday we're picking up the Atlantic flow. Temperatures not really recovering very much by that stage in the northern half of the country, but we see temperatures rising gradually from Wednesday on. But it is still an unsettled picture by Wednesday. That drier day for many come Tuesday, but already the rain is knocking on the door of the southwest, isn't it, as we approach Wednesday. So pretty unsettled day on Sunday and Monday, particularly in central and eastern areas. And if you want to find out more about the cyclone, there is plenty more available on our website. But for me, good evening.